So here we have a hybrid dye treatment as well as brow shaping. So I'm mapping the brows using some mapping thread as well as a measuring tool and some pencils just to mark out the new shape that I'm going to be creating. This is a great method for ensuring symmetry. It can be quite detailed work when using stains like hybrid dye and henna, because they do last a fair while on the skin and the hair. So I've blended up a custom blend for our client here. She's a strawberry blonde, which can be a bit of a tricky shade to match. So I've actually used several different shades mixed in different ratios. I'm applying it now using an angled brush onto the new shape that we've drawn, and then after about 5 to 7 minutes I'm taking off just the front part and upper part of the brow, which gives a really nice ombre effect and ensures that they don't look too sort of fake. They just sort of fade in really nicely in a graduated way. So now I am going to be shaping the brows while the remaining dye is still processing on the arches and the tails. So working around the brow, being careful not to disturb that dye that's still processing underneath, and then just doing a little bit of a cleanup, taking the ends off, a little bit of a final trim and tweeze, just making sure that they're perfect, getting all those little transparent hairs as well. And then we're in the final stages now. Going to be brushing them up, just checking for symmetry, applying a little bit of concealer under the brows, which I love to do because it means that they just look really nice and fresh, and you can go straight out to work all your day after the treatment. And so on both sides, slowed it down here a little bit just so that you can see it properly. There we go, and finished.